Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into a surprising truth. The avocado, hailed as a superfood, can sometimes become a silent enemy, especially for those over 60. Can you believe it? Just one small mistake in how you eat avocado can increase your risk of stroke by up to 47% in a single week. This isn't just a rumor. It's the result of a clinical study published in 2023. Let me tell you a story, Mr. Min. A 65-year-old would blend a cup of avocado smoothie every morning, adding plenty of condensed milk and a bit of cream. He thought he was taking care of his health, but a few months later, he was hospitalized with high cholesterol and a sudden, mild stroke. The mistake wasn't the avocado itself. It was how he was eating it, and Mr. Min isn't the only one. Research shows that 99% of people over 60 make at least one mistake when eating avocado. And today, we're going to expose the 15 most dangerous mistakes. In mistake, no one eating avocado late at night. The fat in avocados is slow to digest, causing your stomach to work overtime all night. The result? Bloating, difficulty sleeping, and even acid reflux. While younger people might handle it, for older adults, long-term sleep disruption can increase the risk of high blood pressure and heart failure. So aim to eat your avocado before 6 p.m. Mistake no. 2. Leaving the pit in to preserve it. Many people think this trick keeps avocados fresh longer, but science proves the pit does nothing except cover a small circle underneath it. In fact, if you leave it in for more than 2 days, it can promote the growth of Listeria bacteria, which is extremely dangerous for older adults. The solution is to squeeze a few drops of lemon or lime juice on the avocado, wrap it tightly, and eat it within a day and a half. Mistake number 3. Combining avocado with sugar, condensed milk, or heavy cream. That sweet, familiar smoothie is actually a fat and sugar bomb. For people over 60, it can cause blood sugar to spike and cholesterol levels to explode. The right way to eat it is as a whole fruit, or blended with unsweetened nut milk. Mistake number 4. Eating the pit. A social media trend once praised the pit for its antioxidants, but the truth is, it contains persin, a natural toxin, at levels hundreds of times higher than the flesh. Eating the pit can cause intestinal damage and liver inflammation, and there have been hundreds of emergency room visits from this practice. Leave the pits for your garden compost, not for your stomach. Mistake number 5. Eating avocado while on blood thinners. Older adults often take warfarin, and avocados are high in vitamin K. This combination can make the medication less effective, skyrocketing the risk of blood clots and stroke. The solution? If you want to eat it, maintain a consistent daily amount, and always inform your doctor. Mistake in 6. Eating avocado on a completely empty stomach. Avocados are rich in fat and difficult to digest, causing the stomach to overproduce acid. The result can be nausea, bloating, and stomach pain. If you're going to eat it, have a little fruit or a light porridge first. Mistake number 7. Eating too much avocado in one day. An average avocado contains 250 calories. Eating too much leads to excess energy, obesity, and fatty liver disease. For older adults, a safe daily the amount is just a quarter to half of a single avocado. Mistake number 8. Cooking avocado at high temperatures. When you fry, bake, or saute avocado, the healthy fats can turn into toxins, and vitamin C and K are destroyed. Avocado is best eaten fresh. If you want to add it to a cooked dish, stir it in after the cooking is done. Mistake number 9. Eating spoiled avocado. If the flesh has turned brown and smells sour, mold has produced aflatoxin, a substance that can cause liver cancer. Don't be cheap and try to salvage it. If you see signs of spoilage, throw it out immediately. Mistake number 10. Eating avocado. If you have a latex allergy, the proteins in avocado are similar to the proteins in rubber. People with a latex allergy are highly susceptible to an anaphylactic reaction from eating avocado. So if you have a history of latex allergy, be extremely cautious. Mistake no. 11. Eating avocado right after a greasy meal. At this point, your liver and gallbladder are already overloaded. Adding avocado will only worsen the situation and cause your cholesterol to rise quickly. It's best to eat avocado as a snack, 2 to 3 hours after your main meal. Dose. Number dose eating pre-made avocado products, canned guacamole, sheep avocado oil, and pre-packaged smoothies often contain preservatives and even trans fats. It's best to make them yourself at home or choose cold-pressed unrefined products. Mistake number 13. Believing avocado can replace vegetables, protein, or grains. This is a dangerous misconception. Avocado doesn't provide enough protein, vitamin B12, or iron. Eating avocado in place of rice or vegetables can lead to weakness, muscle loss, and a higher risk of falls. Mistake number 14. Following an avocado-only detox trend. Only drinking avocado smoothies for days on end won't cleanse your body. On the contrary, it can cause a drop in blood pressure, nutritional imbalance, dizziness, and fatigue. Want to detox? Drink water, eat vegetables, and let your liver and kidneys do their job. Mistake number 15. Eating avocado too late. A slice of avocado before bed might seem harmless, but the fat in it forces your stomach to work overtime and ruins your sleep. For older adults, long-term sleep loss is even more dangerous than a lack of nutrition. So, what's the right way to eat avocado? First, eat just enough 1/4 to half an avocado per day. Second, eat it fresh. Avoid cooking at high temperatures. Third, combine it with green vegetables, nuts, and fish to boost its nutritional benefits. Fourth, always listen to your body. And if you're taking medication, talk to your doctor. Avocado can be your friend, but it can also be your enemy. It all depends on how you use it. Now, I want to ask you, of the 15 mistakes we just covered, how many have you made? Share in the comments, because your experience could save someone else from a health risk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Remember, a timely reminder can prevent an unwanted health crisis.